Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel very important settings and mobile different types of apps and Android mobile phone. Now this video create WhatsApp app notification sound selected option. You use WhatsApp apps your mobile phone for any communication or another purpose. Different types of message send your WhatsApp, but not alert your favorite not ringtone settings. If you want this favorite ringtone setting notification sound, then very easy way settings okay and select your favorite ringtone. So please check this option, this video, and setting your favorite song or ringtone your WhatsApp message notification option. First click WhatsApp apps and click three dot option upper side. Click upper side three dot option and showing setting option. Click this setting option and this interface showing when setting option click on WhatsApp apps. Then side notification option. This mark notification option and click notification option. This interface showing your mobile phone when click notification option. This group notification tone. Select notification tone. If you want your notification tone favorite ringtone setting, then click notification tone. Which file keep notification tone your mobile phone gallery or file manager. Then if you want music option your favorite ringtone, then click music option, or file manager option, then click file manager option, or another option, another place keep your favorite ringtone, then click another option. Then select which is ringtone your favorite, then okay upper side showing okay, then selected your mobile phone WhatsApp apps ringtone notification. My mobile no needed notification setting, so I will not selected any favorite ringtone. Thank you watching my video.